Everyone, it's getting hot out there right now. Temperature is 94 degrees in McAllen. It's 89 in Wesco, 87 in Harlingen, and 82 in South Padre Island. For the rest of the day, we do expect those temperatures to keep climbing a little bit more. 96 Rio Grande City, 95 your high temperature for McAllen. It could be a little bit hotter than that. Partly sunny and very breezy. Those winds right now out of the south and southeast, 22 miles per hour. That's a sustained wind in Brownsville, 16 in Wesco, and 12 miles per hour in Rio Grande City. The wind gust, though, 30 miles per hour in Brownsville. We did see a wind gust of 32 miles per hour earlier in Port Isabel, and it will be pretty windy the rest of this afternoon and early through the evening, and then the winds should calm down right before the cold front. Once that cold front comes in, we will see those winds pick up once again. It could be pretty gusty out there. Right now, temperatures across Texas, 94 degrees in McAllen and 19 degrees in Amarillo. Right now, 33 in Midland, 35 in Abilene, and 67 in Austin. That cold front finally made it through Austin. It is slow moving through the hill country, but faster moving on the western fringe of that. Del Rio has been pretty cold all morning long. Right now, temperatures there at 49 degrees. Now, we do see the NAM model is picking up this cold front pretty well. It's forecasting this front to arrive in the valley through the overnight hours tonight. So after midnight, could start seeing that cold front pushing through Starr County, eventually making its way toward McAllen. Notice this is at 4 a.m. on Tuesday. The timeline there is on the top left of your screen. So 59 for McAllen, and at 4 a.m. temperatures begin to fall in the Brownsville area also around 7 a.m. And it could be one of those things where we do have the front come through earlier for Starr and Hidalgo County, and then Brownsville's waiting for it. So it's something to keep in mind. It could be a little bit warm tomorrow if this model is a little bit too fast. But right now, what we're forecasting is pretty cold weather coming in through the overnight hours tonight and tomorrow morning. We do have that cold weather in the forecast already in the 50s. Now, let's take a look at the model outlook. This is the European in yellow. The orange is the GFS model, and the pink is the NAM model. Just notice how they're so different. Each one of those models is different. We're kind of gambling here with the NAM model, and we think that the NAM has a better grip of this cold front. So because of that, we do expect, or because of this cold front, we do expect cooler weather for the next 6 to 10 days. Now, this is the Climate Prediction Center weather outlook here. So below normal temperatures in the forecast for much of Texas next week, also below normal for the northeastern parts of the United States, and much warmer in the western parts of the United States. Now, rain chances back here at home, 30% chance of rain beginning tonight, and that 30% chance will remain in the forecast on Tuesday. And we could see some spotty drizzle throughout the day on Tuesday. It's not going to be one of those cold fronts where it just comes through and then we're dry. It could be spotty drizzle throughout the day. And then on Wednesday, finally, those rain chances do taper off. Tropical update. Right now, we are tracking Tropical Storm Zeta. Winds of 70 miles per hour moving toward the northwest at 10 miles per hour. Eventually will make landfall in the Yucatan. Winds of 85 miles per hour. It could be a Category 1 right before landfall, and then it'll reemerge into the Gulf of Mexico. This is on Tuesday, 80 mile per hour winds, central Gulf of Mexico, and then it finally makes that northward turn on Wednesday, moving toward Louisiana and Alabama as a Category 1 hurricane. So once again, Louisiana is bracing for another storm. Effects from Zeta locally Tuesday and Wednesday, dangerous rip currents. We could see waves run up toward the dunes, especially during high tide, and also very hazardous marine conditions. Coastal forecast right now, we're tracking pretty strong winds across the region. Southeast 10 to 20 knots, seas 3 to 6 feet. Small craft should exercise caution. So for the rest of today, we will see those temperatures hitting the 90-degree mark. Winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, especially right along the coast, and overnight tonight, 61 degrees. Now, here's a look at your first Warn 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. 90s today, 60s tomorrow, and it could be even cooler than that. If the NAM model is correct, we will see cooler temperatures, but it looks like we'll see cloudy conditions, breezy, much cooler tomorrow, and then the cool weather actually sticks around for the next 6 days or so. Notice that each morning we'll see those temperatures in the 50s, even the 40s, possibly by Thursday morning. But we do warm up a little bit on Thursday. We'll have more sunshine. Temperatures should climb to close to 80 degrees. But then we do get another little surge of cooler air for Friday. Temperatures 77 degrees, the high temperature there. And then for Halloween, we're looking at temperatures in the 80s. But still a pretty cool night for Halloween night. That's a complete look at your first Warren 5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast.